risky lah go inside the cave.
That's why.
About our park. So our park is a little bit different from the usual zoo that you know of. So besides from this area and besides, if you want to view our animal in the we have here at the cars animals. They are very slender for being the arboreal monkey. So they're actually follicles, or you can call them the digest all the cellulose inside the leaf. Alright, so besides this animal, you can actually find them in the troop of 4 to 27 individuals in the world.
Maybe she will get scared now. Sana. Cannot be seen to the camera.
They're moving, shaking the head.
Yeah, shaking the head.
Eating lah, munching.
Kaya siya, cannot see.
Yum.
Do. Kita mo, Mang?
Bisa lah, make burger yum. Oh, 3 oh.
What?
Oh, that's the number 2. Oh, 3 lah, correct lah, 3. Okay?
Yeah,
1, 2, 3,
3.
then 4.
They hide lah.
Kobe! Kobe! Kobe, wake up!
Na, Mang, the tiger, Mang! The tiger! Big na, big!
Lazy lah, always climb, just walk lah, don't want to jump.
Hello, big!
Nah, PT. Kat bawah dari team. No? There's boy. Boy lah, ni.
Where's she go, te? Hi, tiger!
Big lah the tiger. I miss lah the one in Phuket. Big lah the arm. No, resting yourself. Don't want to shout.
Cover the face daw. Hello. Ay, naku, nagtago na. Ay, no.
Look like doggo.
Bakit? I think Ben is more bigger.
No, they can go bigger,
So, in
sayang.
your trek?
This one still young.
Ha?
This one still young.
Then, the Ben. Ay, naku, bakit nagatingin siya sa baba? Gusto niya you want to speak?
Ano na? Hiding lah.
Na, lay daw, lazy.
Anti-social.
Oh, big.
Your favorite lah sayang. Menu ni.
Iya.
Di sana deep fried. Nyam-nyam.
Ew. Is that? Pupuk.
Ipis.
Ipis. Ih.
Ni.
Ih, they have
Potato.
No, that. You see this tree? Looking.
Eh.
Hindi ah. Man-made.
Ay.
Cool lang.
Ginagawa mo.
Ano? Kita mo? Crocodile. Ay! You saw the snake one?
This one the snake only eat chocolate.
Ala, mini snake.
Dari side dia on the ground.
Tanaw sa kayo ma'am. Masin sa bani. Tulog pa rin. Cricket.
Cricket or ipis?
I think ipis. This one. Cute. I think this one is from look like from the larva.
Why this ipis cute lah?